In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that is based on the moving average, that is based on the upper and the lower bands, and also the other supporting indicator that we are using is the market turning points, my main indicator. And you can also check this indicator on my website. If you go to fxmentorus.com, the link is in the description. So explore the market turning points indicator that is listed on our website. And soon the magnet bands will also be listed on our website, this one, because this is the highly accurate trading system. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the market today, that how it has behaved and how this moving average is superior to all other methods that are available in the market. Okay, so first of all, the first condition, the market is coming from the upper side bands. If you just look at here, we have the bands here. Okay, so the first condition, the market is coming from the upper bands, and the second condition is for taking our entry, the price should break out below the moving average that you can see into the white color. Okay, so whenever you will see that the price will break out below the moving average, then what will happen? The retail traders will enter into the sell positions. And what the market will actually do? The market will actually make the upside move. Okay, so how we will take the entry? We have the two options. If you are only dealing in the magnet bands masterpiece indicator, then it will print a blue level and then it will be valid, and after the confirmation, then you can take the entry from that level. For example, again it has taken the u-turn, again came down, so the blue level was here and you can see the price bounce back. Okay, the second confirmation that we get from the market turning points indicator, the buy opportunity, if you just look at here, so the buy opportunity was appeared and now the price is moving up. Okay, now I can show you the example on the gold. Okay, so this is the most recent example. Now the blue level was already here, the market is coming from the upper side, it has made a bearish breakout of the moving average. So now retail traders have entered into the sell positions from here, and then what the market has done, the market has done has went into the upward move. So this is mostly how it happens all the time. Okay, but not all the time. Definitely sometimes you will see that there will be a breakout and it will reverse, but definitely you will use a stop loss. Okay, now just look at this situation. How we tackle this situation: when the market is coming from the lower side, we always wait for the because bullish breakout is done, so we will wait for a bearish signal from the market turning points or the magnet bands prints a purple level, so that we can be sure that the price wants to go down. And then again you can see it came to liquidate the traders who were into the trades at this area. Okay, so I can show you more examples. For example, if we go to euro usd, there was not a, okay, here we have a bullish breakout and then the purple, and then the market turning points indicator has pointed a selling opportunity, and then you can see the prices going up because going down. The problem is that when the bands are used by the retail traders, they immediately enter into the sell positions at these levels, so the market keeps on liquidating it. So the strategy is very different. You will always wait for the market to come and gives a breakout of that moving average, and then you, if you get a buy opportunity, then you can go for that trade. Okay, so I can give you more examples. Okay, so let's see where I have a perfect example, any other example. Now just look at this one. Okay, so the price is coming from the upper side, it made a bearish breakout here, then just look at this, the price is reversed. Okay, again bearish breakout, price is reversed. Okay, so this is how you can work on that method. Okay, now just look at this one. This is another example. This is AUDCHF. The price is coming from the upper side, the market has given you a bearish breakout. Just look at this, the buy opportunity and also a blue level from the magnet bands masterpiece indicator. So now the price is most likely to go into the upper direction, and this is how things work with that particular indicator. Okay, now let's see any other example where it get fit. And this indicator works on everything like forex, crypto, stocks, whatever you trade. Okay, so okay, now just look at this one. Those who were selling on bank nifty from here, they were liquidated. Okay, the market has not given a bearish breakout of the moving average because our entry method is very different. Okay, now just look at this one. The price was coming down on nifty, it has given you a bearish breakout of the moving average. Now you will enter into the buy position, see how long your ride is into the upward direction. So this is the simplest and easy method to trade the trading market, no matter you are trading forex, you are trading crypto, whatever you are doing. Okay, now just look at this. Here we have. Okay, the market were coming from the upper lower side, it came up. Okay, but this might hit your stop loss later on, but you have a blue level and you have the buy opportunity. That was the clear signal that this time the market is going to target the upward band here. Okay, so a slight common sense is needed. Rest this indicator perfectly handles each and everything. Look at this, another trade. The price breakout below the moving average, you got a buy opportunity. You can see you got few candles here as well. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, look at the USDJPY. The price is coming from the upward side, give a bearish breakout, you can see a buy opportunity. Just look at the price, how well it has went into the upward direction. This is how you need to tackle this indicator. So if you want to book the lifetime version of the magnet bands masterpiece indicator, or you want to book the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, the real time indicator, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. Links are provided in the description of this video.